Today is January 17th, 2025. I have booted into Bookworm Pub 64. I want to talk to you and show you about how to set up aliases in PuppyLInux. What is alias? Alias is a terminal command that you enter that can complete a more complex set of instructions or scripts. So First thing, what I would suggest is create a dot bash dash aliases file. So let me just go ahead and bring up root. So Control H toggles on and off hidden files. So I have dot bash aliases file here, and so you won't have it. So what you will have to do is go through this command here. Touch tells the computer just to go ahead and make a file. So touch root dot dash underline aliases and then opens a geany editor here, and and then have the this file open, and then exit the terminal command, close the terminal command. So that you just simply follow that, and then you'll end up with a blank screen with the bash aliases file. So then you can go ahead and copy this. I'll leave that in my under my description, and then save the file, obviously. And then what you can do is just go ahead and go back to open up dash rc file, and then you have to put these two lines in the bottom of dot bash rc, so the computer recognizes there is an extra file that's been created that needs to be read. So after those two things are done, so you create the aliases file and then give instructions to read this aliases file, by putting in this line in the dot bash rc. Then what you can do is just go ahead and open up terminal, and then give it a command of source, and then root and dot bash rc. Then it will read and recognize that there type in, for example, I made it, I just type in X, and it closes the terminal window. So here, X, close the terminal window. Then once that's said, you can use X in other aliases just to close the terminal window. So in Bookworm Pub64, you can use apt command. So if I open up the terminal and then type in up, it will go ahead and update the computer and upgrade, and then remove the unnecessary files and close the terminal. So let's see how that works. So it goes through the doing its work. So similarly, alias rs. So rs is just when you tap on a leave puppy button, it restarts the window manager. So that's very helpful, and a lot of times you don't have to completely power down and then reboot. So then I won't do that, because if I just type in rs now, it will stop the recording. So similarly, you can to shut off the computer, you can just type in po. It will go ahead and power off the PuppyLInux, and then RB reboot the computer. So PuppyLInux. So, but then before you do power off or RB, you have to make sure that there's no other open. Uh, there's no other file that needs to be saved before you do that. So I think that. Well, let me just finish up with the LA. It runs this command. So rather than typing this whole command, we'll just go to the terminal and then a middle mouse click. Rather than doing all this command and go up, we can go up or down with this command. It reads all the hidden files and so on. Q. Then you can just type in the same. Just it's much easier just to type in LA, and it you notice that it does exactly the same. So now just to make it clear, you can clear the screen so you get a fresh. So let me just demonstrate it. So you can clear the screen by clear command, but actually there is a simple poorly documented key control L just clears the screen, and I find that's very helpful, but you don't really need to do that. So control L is what I'm used to, but if you want, you can go ahead and put in alias and just type in C and then clear. So saved, and then we can go out here and we'll go ahead and read the source root bash and aliases. So we're gonna read that again. Now if I just type in C, it's gonna clear the screen. Okay, but control L is what I'm used to. So that's